What is up, YouTube? It's your boy Johnny A, and I'm back at you guys with another video today. Hope you guys are all doing good on this Saturday. So obviously the stock market is closed for the weekend. The only thing open is the crypto market, which is obviously open 24/7. But today I want to go over my Robinhood portfolio. I want to show you guys all my plays, how they're doing. So this is like a weekly recap video that I used to do. I haven't done these in the last couple weeks. So just going to show you guys my plays. Keep in mind, I am not a financial advisor, so please make sure you do your own research before you invest into any stock or crypto. These are the plays I'm invested into. You do not have to follow any of my plays. If you do get into a stock that I'm in, definitely research before getting in. Or if I'm in a crypto, definitely research it. I don't want to be the one blamed for you losing money and etc. So always research. I always say in my videos, I'm not a financial advisor. You guys do not have to follow any of my plays. You guys do whatever you feel comfortable with your portfolio. But either way, I appreciate all of the love and the support you guys have been giving me. As far as my subscriber count, we are currently at 1,760 total subscribers. I will be doing a $100 giveaway once I hit 2,000 subscribers. So make sure you are subscribed to enter the contest once I hit 2,000 subscribers. Thank you, each and every single one of you that have been subscribing. The YouTube channel is growing, and I appreciate all the support you guys have been giving me. So let's head on to Robinhood. I'll show you guys how the portfolio is doing, and we'll go over each and every single play that I have. So right now the portfolio stands, hopefully this thing loads up, at $64,281. If you guys have been watching my videos, I use margin. I only try to use $1,000 of the margin that's interest free that Robinhood offers for all its gold members. So I normally try to go a little bit more than that, maybe like $1,200 to $1,300, but I normally try to stay around that range. So the margin status is at low risk. I've used $366 so far of the $1,000. And I do put money in every 2 weeks that I get paid. I don't put a lot of money. I put maybe like $50 or so. But that's about it. I normally use the margin money that Robinhood offers. So that's the great thing about the margin. And the dividends basically pay back the margin. That's the great thing about the high yield dividends, that it replaces the margin. Your income gets built up every single month, and you try to build it up every single month, every year, etc. So let's start off first with the weekly dividend plays. We're going to start off with YMAX. These are weekly. They pay every Friday. Every Wednesday they get announced their distribution. So that's great to see. So YMAX, I have 825 shares, a market value of $15,000. My total return is minus 2%, down $452. So I've been dollar cost averaging into this, trying to bring that average cost down now that it's at $18. So obviously it's at a buy, and they pay a nice little weekly dividend. As well as YMAG, the Magnificent 7. I am at 381 shares, market value at $7,000. I'm down 3%, down $258. And obviously as well, dollar cost averaging, trying to bring that average cost down now that it's at $19. So a nice weekly dividend. QDTE, the round-hilled cover call strategy. I got 8 shares. I'm up 2%, up $9.32. So this one has been very steady. Nice little returns, nice little distribution. RDTE, the small cap round hill cover call strategy. 4 shares, I'm up 2%, up $4.86. And XCTE, the round hill S&P 500. I got 3 shares. I'm up 2%, up $5.07. So that's great to see from the weekly payers. So that's 5 plays that I have for the weekly. And now let's head on to first week. So first week I got 16 stocks. I know a lot of people are going to be like, you're over diversified. This is what I'm doing. I'm trying to see what plays are very good, which ones are stable, which ones are great for long term. dividends, dividend growth, etc. You guys, like I've said, you do not have to follow me. You can do what you want. If you just want to have 5 stocks in your portfolio, that's fine. This is just what I'm doing with my portfolio right now. So I might sell some plays that I have in here eventually. I don't know yet. I got to see how they perform. So NVDY is the yield max NVIDIA option income strategy. I got 15 shares. I'm down 4%, down $19. So I'm trying to bring that average cost down as well. SPY-T, I'm liking SPY-T so much. The Finds did a great job with this S&P 500 income target ETF. This one has been pretty stable. Nice returns, nice distribution every month. I got 14 shares, up 1% with SPY-T, as well as QQQT, the defines NASDAQ 100 income target. This one, 13 shares. I'm up 3%, up $8.76, and a nice distribution every month. PennantPark floating rate, I have 4 shares. I'm down 8 cents, down 0.17%. I'm still trying to build up this play. We'll see how it performs in the long run for me. JEPI, I mean, what can I say about JEPI and JEPQ? These guys have been killing it. I got 3 shares, up 3%. They give a nice distribution every month. You can't go wrong with JEPI or JEPQ. I got 2 shares of JEPQ. I'm up 6%, up $10 with JEPQ. The Yield Max Meta option, FBY. I got 1 share. I'm up $1.29. This one has been pretty steady as well, so I'm going to continue buying more of this. The iShares Advantage Large Cap Income ETF, ticker symbol BALI. This one is a new play, so I just got fractional shares, and it pays a monthly dividend if I'm correct. I didn't get one for this month, but I'm pretty sure it pays a monthly one. So definitely research if you get into any of these new ones that I added. So this one I just got like $5. I'm up 0.4%. This one's also another new play, Parametric Equity Premium Income ETF. I just got like $13. I'm down 0.81%. And then I got the ProShares S&P 500 High Income ETF iSpy. I got like $8 in there. I'm up 4 cents, up 0.57%. IQQQ. That's the NASDAQ 100 from ProShares. I got like $6 in there. I'm up 8 cents. And then I got the iShares 20+ year Treasury Bond, TLTW. Got $8 and I'm up 2 cents. And then we got the Goldman Sachs S&P 500 Income ETF, GPIX. I got like $15 in there. I'm up 16 cents. And I got a dividend of 8 cents hitting next week. And they pay every first week of the month. And then I got GPIQ, which is the NASDAQ 100 Income ETF from Goldman Sachs. I got $15 in there, and I'm up 2%, 40 cents. And I get a dividend of 10 cents next week, which you guys can see here. And then I got Phillips Edison and Company. I got fractional shares. I'm up 62%. And then I got Dynex Capital. I got 1 share. I'm up 18 cents, up 1% in this play. So those are all the first week plays that I have. And so far, I'm still trying to build up some of them. So that's why I don't buy nothing crazy. The ones that I add more into it are the weekly ones and the high ones that I have, like NVDY and Coney. And I also have Realty Income, stuff like that. But the ones that I added recently, I just buy like fractional shares just to see how they perform. And I try to take advantage of the pullbacks. So second week, we got Realty Income. I mean, everyone knows this one. If you're living under a rock, then you don't know who Realty Income is. Probably one of the best monthly dividend stocks to have in any portfolio, at least in my opinion. I got 66 shares, up $213, up 6%, and they're giving me $17.49 next week, so that's great to see. Horizon Technology Finance, I got 3 shares. I'm up 20 cents, up 0.68%, and I got a dividend of 13 cents coming in. Whitestone REIT, I got 2 shares. I'm down 30 cents, down 0.8%. and I got a dividend of 6 cents coming in next week. Main Street Capital, 3 shares. This is kind of like another realty income play. This is great for the long term, in my opinion. I'm up $17.55, up 10%, and I got 79 cents of a dividend coming in there for next week. And then we got Stellus Capital Investment, ticker symbol SCM. I got 1 in fractional shares, up 43 cents, and I got a dividend of 12 cents coming in that. And then EPR Properties, I got fractional shares of this. I'm up 10 cents, up 24. And I got 15 cents coming in sometime next week. And those are the second week plays. So I got 6 stocks for second week. And then third week, we got 9 stocks. We got Coney. This one is the one I normally buy a lot of. I'm trying to build up my average cost, trying to lower it. Now that's at 18 bucks. I got $7,000 in there market value. I'm down $692, down 8%. This one is very volatile because of crypto. So it follows Bitcoin and follows Coinbase stock, which is very volatile, obviously because of the crypto market. So definitely be on the safe side on this. If you're gonna invest into it, don't just throw all your money in at once. I would wait for pullbacks to try to buy as cheap as possible. So I got 382 shares and I'm down 8%, but that distribution is very nice that they give out every month. And then we got AG&C, 11 shares. I'm up $2.18, up 1.95%. And they're giving me a dividend of $1.34. So this one actually could be a second week play. I don't know why I changed this to third week. Stag Industrial, I got 5 shares. This one I'm trying to bring down that average cost at $35 range. I'm down $11, down 5%, and I'm getting 62 cents of a dividend on December 16th. And then we got ADC, Agree Realty. I got 2 shares. This one has been doing well for me. Up $7.61, up 4%, and I got 52 cents of a dividend hitting next week. And then I got Apple Hospitality REIT. I got 1 share. I'm up 56 cents, up 2%. I'm getting 10 cents of a dividend on December 16th. And then we got SLG Green Realty. I got 1, about to hit 2 shares. I'm up $14.89, up 11%. This one's doing great as well. I'm getting a dividend of 48 cents on the 16th. And then we got the Yield Max Netflix option one, Netflix. I got fractional shares and I'm up 2%, up 12 cents. This one is pretty new to the portfolio, so we're going to see how it performs. Then I got DIA, the Dow Jones Industrial Average ETF. Got fractional shares, I'm up 2%. And I got just a 1 cent dividend. Nothing crazy with this one, but it looks pretty good. The REIT, Hoya, I don't know if I'm saying it right, Hoya or Capital High Dividend Yield ETF. I got fractional shares. I'm down 0.17%. And that's it for the third week plays. So that's where those are at. And then we got fourth week. Fourth week is a big week, 32 stocks. I'm going to go over this quick. So Oxford Square Capital. Got fractional shares down. I'm up 0.39%. This one was a new play. Clip, Crane Shares China. This one obviously is pretty high up there, 688 shares, but I'm down 21%. This one might be a play. If it does a reverse split, I might get out of eventually and just throw it into other safer plays. I'm down $2,000. The distributions are nice, but the NAV isn't too great. And then we got MSTY, the king of them all, in my opinion, with those high distributions. 254 shares. I'm up 21%. This one's been killing it ever since Bitcoin has been going on a tear. So obviously I'm holding this for the long term. Prospect Capital, 83 shares. I'm down 50 bucks, down 11%. And they're giving me $3.43 on December 19th. So this one, the dividend did get cut down, but I'm still going to hold on to it. Gladstone Investment Gain, I got 29 shares. I'm up 0.27%, up $1. DIVO, I'm liking this one a lot. 7 shares, up 17 bucks and 65 cents, up 5%. So I'm liking DIVO, pretty steady, nice returns. Gladstone Land, ticker symbol Land. I got 6 shares. I'm down 3%, down $2. FEPI, the Rex shares, 4 shares, and I'm up $3.65. Pretty good stock to have. SPYI, the Neil's S&P 500, 2 shares. I'm up $4. AMZY, Amazon, the Yield Max one. I got 2 shares. I'm up $1.66. Gladstone Commercial, I got 1 share. I'm down 29 cents. And then I got PFFA, Virtus Infra Cap US Preferred Stock. I got 1 in fractionals. I'm up 12 cents. PEY, the High Yield Equity Dividend Achievers ETF, Invesco. 1 share, I'm up 23 cents. I know this is a long video, guys. RYLD, the Global X Russell 2000 cover call, 1 share, up 19 cents. These are all 4-week plays. AIPI, the Rex shares, AI Equity Premium Income ETF. I got 1 share, I'm up $1.89. QYLD, 1 share, I'm up 23 cents. Ellington Financial, EFC, I got 2 shares. I'm up 1 cent, nothing crazy. And I got a dividend of 16 cents coming in on the 26th, so day after Christmas. SPHD, I got fractional shares. I'm down 8 cents. The Round Hill Bitcoin cover call strategy, YBTC, I got fractionals. I'm up 49 cents. Orchard Island Capital, I got 1 share. I'm up 11 cents. NEO's NASDAQ 100 Hedge Equity Income ETF. I got fractionals. I'm up 15 cents. Nothing crazy. The NEO's Russell 2000 IWMI. 1 share. I'm up $1.27. QQQI, the NASDAQ 100 from NEO's. I got fractionals. I'm up $1.53. SPLV. I got fractionals. I'm up 13 cents. And then we got GIAX, the Nicholas Global Equity Income ETF, fractional shares. I'm up 1 cent, nothing crazy. MTBA, Simplify MBS ETF. I got fractional shares up 6 cents. Gladstone Capital, got fractionals. I'm up 80 cents, and I got a dividend of 29 cents coming in there. LTC Properties, I got 1 share. I'm down 59 cents. No dividend yet for that. XYLD, fractional shares. I'm up 15 cents on this. BNDI, the Neil's Aggregate Bond ETF. I got fractionals. I'm up 26 cents. The Wisdom Tree US Large Cap Dividend Fund, DLN, fractional shares. I'm up 41 cents on that. The Neil's Enhanced Income 1 to 3 month T-bill. I got fractional shares. I'm up 1 cent, nothing crazy. And that's about it. I know that was a long list, guys. So 32 plays for 4th week. And I'm slowly building those up to see which ones perform good. SCHD are my long-term ones and paid nice dividends. I got 66 shares. I'm up $300. And then we got the VOO for long-term growth. We got 4 shares. I'm up 544, up 31% in this play. So those are great. These are all of the plays that I got. So we'll see what 2nd week plays pay out for this upcoming week. And yeah, guys, that's basically where I'm at. Hopefully I can hit around 65K to end the year. We'll see how that plays out for the next couple of weeks. So definitely subscribe if you are new to the channel. I normally don't make my videos as long, so I got a lot of plays in the portfolio. Like I said, you do not have to have all these plays. If you guys want to keep it to just a couple of stocks, that's fine. This is just what I'm doing. So thank you so much for tuning in. Subscribe if you're new. You can also follow me on Instagram, on TikTok. I also have a Twitter now, so definitely follow me on that. The links are in the description. If you want to sign up for Robinhood, excuse me, guys, I'm losing my breath here. Definitely check out my link down below, and you guys get a free stock if you use my Robinhood link. So thank you so much for tuning in, and hope you guys have a good weekend. I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.